Every day is a new beginning. In life, we may face different situations and we will have to wear different shoes. Also, we will travel different roads. Sometimes the roads are smooth, sometimes they are rocky, but the key is we have to keep walking because better days are ahead. We have to live, love, laugh. Sky life. Yo, you're done. It's the girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yeah. What a day. We're snatching a youth. Very clean. Already also gonna be a little bit later. So we're at Riu Montego Bay. We are that doesn't let me know. We are out for Stephanie's birthday, which is tomorrow. Maybe by the time I put up a vlog here, so I can comment below.
Here and here.
You can wish Stephanie happy birthday below. No, this one is mine.
Oh, why are you saying staple? Oh, the staple is going.
This one is mine. You can wish her a happy birthday, girl. You get in a boy. Yes, so you don't know the role. Skylife way. Hot man.
This is your copy.
What's the password? You can write it right here. Yeah, I'll get breakfast.
The extra
You know me a pastry girl already. But mind that, take out mine out of my bag, please. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Gang, 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 gang. Girl, clean, dude. We're about to have breakfast right now, but we're hungry, as usual. You know? Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button. Riu Montego Bay, about to be lit. For that year when they make what day? Yeah, boy.
Last practical I did do muffin.
Yeah.
I made carom some. Like that practical was like nearly 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And the same one muffin you see now. Muffin so tough to go down and crush up behind that shit. You won't say no one.
I don't know why though. Anyways, guys, my belly is so full. I need Tamika right now. She alone can help me. I'm gonna mash up my pastry. I have some pastry, so I'm gonna need to mash up. I go to the gym every day. Today's like my cheat day. So funny, you see napkin on the house? I'll put a napkin in the bag. Guys, from morning my sinus like act up for me. Like really bad. My sinus is very bad. So I have some pills that I take to calm me down like in 20 minutes time. I took it and stuff. Thick as you know. Out of your food from teeth. Yeah. So it's Stephanie's birthday and I just wanted to show her that I appreciate her and I love her so much, you know. She's like bae, you know.
Who that?
So I treat her like royalty.
You know, what up?
Look at girl clean like I man, I'm so proud of her. Just to turn 18. Come say hi to your vlog.
What I'm done.
You don't finish it yet?
But you know, if I keep them close and look at TV.
Somebody say, you didn't think in our teeth, oh yeah, little bit. Yeah, some sign of step on me like, wow, but I still had to make it. and stuff. So yeah, remember to say happy birthday to Punky, you know, down below. And remember to subscribe. This is Riu Montego Bay. Nice ambience, you know. What where? Oh, they'll see that. They'll see that. I don't have to tell them. Yeah, so this is like another trip, you know. You know, so I'm just so happy that God is so good to give me the opportunity to experience these things, because you know, you're just good to me. So don't punky. Tell the truth. If I never be Jesus Christ of Nazareth, where would I be?
You get the hardest.
Hmm? Hmm?
I say you get the hardest, as in I figure a different school. And still, you understand?
Still going.
But and I like say you're not going to school, but you still want something successful.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man.
I strive to be that, like, you know. I believe say no matter where you come from, you deserve the best out of life. So try push for the best. You understand? Some people have the mindset say, oh, that's a rich people thing. You know? I don't believe in that. Once you see something you want, you work hard for it, you save up money for that you have to do, and you do your thing, you enjoy yourself. I believe in that. I believe in that. So, you know, I'm just so happy, and you know? Yeah. What is? And tell them are you excited about your surprise.
Okay, well on. So what up, vlog world? I don't know, it's Punky. Yeah, so we're here in Rio. Like, I've never been to an hotel before, so I'm very excited and I'm very thankful, you know. Yeah. No man, like unexpected surprise.
Tell them what my trick is there.
She tricked me, say, why you trick me, say we have to take one bus? Rio. That would make no sense. That would make no sense. So anyways,
I didn't believe.
you know how we are coming, me did think like we got Margarita Village where we did there last time, and the bus would have picked up there. Okay. But friends say Rio, I say, yeah man, I eat that. So yeah, I'm very thankful guys, and you'll see the outfit of the day. I don't know say I'm clean out. Yeah, me I'm a sis clean out.
Subscribe.
Yeah man. And just remember to subscribe all those who like when I watch a video them and not subscribe, when I do something wrong. Okay guys? When I need to subscribe.
More trips coming up.
Yeah man, more trips coming up. It's gonna be lit. Yeah, so stay tuned for the bath suit and what else? A lot more coming guys. Peace out.
Yeah. They'll know your account number too if you don't remember it. Oh guys, just had breakfast. I'm so full. I'm so stuffed. My belly is so big. Can't believe belly full man. It was really good. A lot of variety. Even though I had breakfast late. Only thing missing is Tamika. Comment below, Tamika, where you there? Yeah. That body though. That's it, like the Monday. What? This girl look for her phone and her phone in her hand. Yeah. The pool over there. It's a very big pool they have at Rio. And stuff. So we'll check back in with you guys later on today. Maybe we'll do some activity. I'm going to find my tree or my gazebo lay down under because nigga right is a kill me. Stephanie, come like nigga right is take me, you know. by the pool. I'm in my Wakanda forever. Swimsuit Wakanda, sorry. Look over the swimsuit. You guys are gonna see it better. We're gonna do a little snippet of the swimsuit. Riu Montego Bay, very late. Up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Stephanie, somebody something two down there. Can't move it. And it come like somebody was there. Somebody was there. Here. Then shoes there. Aye.
Does that matter?
I don't think so. Ah, yes! Oh my god. Yo, Wakanda forever.
Yeah, let's get to this guy.
Yeah, now.
What one drop? Hey, I see you one drop it.
Hi guys, right now I'm playing about book your phone at 26. Yeah, not percent, you know, in us with the storage. Guys, right now I'm chilling under the gazebo because I drink strawberry daiquiri rum, which we can't manage the rum, which have me mash up right now. Somebody are going to lay down and chillax a bit in a place. Yeah, we can just come from where you go? We gone over this. So, but guys, comment below and tell me which hotel you want to see us review next. Riu Montego Bay, a very cool hotel. Compared to Sandals Low, the courtesy, Sandals service wise is top notch. You're so good too, you know, but Sandals is 150%. I don't see nobody has dropped in catch or nothing. Thing here, I saw somebody fail, and one of the persons, another staff, they hesitated to run to the person's assistant. I was like, go help her, go help her, go help her, you know. But eventually you would have gone, you know. But I just believe that standouts, they just them now wasting no time and stuff. So yeah, if you want something for relax and chill, Riu Montego Bay is a good choice. But I would choose sandals. Sandals are a bit costly, but Riu is expensive as well. But you can get there, save your money and get it done, you know. So yeah, if anything, I'll check back in with you guys later on today. If not, it's gonna be tomorrow or when you see this vlog again. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Just stop and give the video a thumbs up.
The vlog girl mess up on it. Forgot that I had a mascara and wet up the face. Why you can't see me? We have vlog world Punky this in the building. Enjoying the day so far. Yeah. Feel sleepy, no? Never see a set up so. Sleepy vlog girl. And kill me with food. Can't bother. Oh boy. Just drink a Bob Marley. Rita Marley. Rita Marley name? Whatever. You have enough name. Bob Marley me call it. But me feel out here. Alright. So I'm here sitting down and now. Yeah, clean and old Punky. You know. You can't hit me up for model no clothes. You understand? Because I've always wanted to become a model. So, yeah guys. Melica over there. Wakanda forever. What we say? Ooh. Yeah, so stay tuned.
So guys, my hair is officially a mess. We're having,
What up guys?
we're having lunch. It's around 3 o'clock right now. I'm very tired. I fell asleep for like, how long me asleep for about 1 hour?
We did sleep for exactly 30 minutes.
Stephanie, remember to me that sleep before you.
Well, I know 1 hour.
But I sleep for
like about 40.
me. Well, a little tree and both a little sleep. Auntie. And I eat some food. I not eat not too much because I'm not seeing myself. Auntie, so. Nacho. Yeah, so I just got to know. I got to talk water sports and stuff. I'm not sure if I will catch it on camera because we now carry phone and things, so.
You want to something?
No. So I'll talk to you guys later.
Yes, guys. Please. Very special if you want it. You can have it.
Right now, guys. I don't know if you can carry it back from cleaner. Oh, your camera looks so blurry.
Hold on, let me see what's going on. I have a feeling say you go too fast. You can't slow down or something?
Guys, right now, mash right up.
Fully drained, fully packed.
Right now, all of my belly are at me. I never see this here. See, what it's stiff.
Melica, you can't give me another direction with the steering, you know? And if you ever drop asleep out upon me, turn up.
And that's something you can turn, you just go stand in the turn.
Where?
Like lean it to each side. And that's something go move.
Okay. You know see what me do?
Like it's
Steering. Suppose me see one shop. And you can turn the steering, can me get creeped out right now.
We say we can't go back, so.
We stuck! Melica, may we kill you?
Seriously, Stephanie, we can't turn. Wait, where better? No, this seriously, no. I don't like this one. I need to do. Alright, let me try to turn here also.
Melica.
Alright, hurry up and stay down, stay down. I feel like oh, this up here. Go. You feel like
Melica, turn the steering. Turn the steering. Melica. What me say? 1, 2, 3. Melica, me kill you, you know. If you away the turn.
wait there, I want live this.
Oh, and this one shot pick was money. Melica turned the steering.
But they turn it. No, they turn back around. How much them for turn it? But they feel, oh, me turn this way, go so. You see that? Come around a lot.
Suppose there.
You know, say me I'm going, I'm not come back out there with you.
Me not come back out there. Come me creep out. Oh, we come.
Seriously now?
Turn it so.
Stephanie, alright.
Pedal and turn it so. See the turn I know. You have to pedal and turn it. Oh, you mean?
Pedal fast.
Pedal.
No, don't. Here, we need a you. Me afraid that's how I look at that.
No, God no.
Alright, make it stay so, but to sure.
Yeah, vlog world. She don't even know understand me and have trimmed it. Watch out, my foot. My foot are trimmed. No, play it.
And I one of my friends tell me say, this is shark in our channel.
We're not ramping up. Because we can't swim. Turn it so. Because anytime we go to shore, I eat this.
Yeah, come back with the video.
No man, we not pool. Better we keep safe at the pool.
Next we go back to Christopher. While I go fun.
Yeah guys. No, God don't make tremble. Shake no but me.
Then you see I want to go on this?
No, but me think.
I go on this already, you know?
But me say like, oh we
Take a picture. We can take you while you have video. Just
next turn. Which next turn? Well, like go this and come back. Alright, how it is. Yeah,
where you want to go back about this up? How far in then?
That's how we did them.
You done it today, Melica
Skylife in the building and Punky Skylife in the building. Yo! I want the damn.
Hey, you know my car drive.
Melica, where the hell you carry me go? Me not tell her me not come back out there. Hey, you see you? I never know say no waterproof.
And the waterproof?
No, darling.
So guys, right now we're on the, I don't know what this name, but something where you pedal.
I want name caution each.
Stephanie, no.
Must.
What name? 4 person, 2 people can go on the back.
Alive.
This boat, I want boat where you pedal. Yeah, basically about that you pedal.
See it here guys.
Stephanie's first time on it. Paddle.
Cruiser.
Yeah, paddle cruiser. So yeah, this is our view. I'm so happy, you know. Think about it, put you know me a pray back a couple of months or a year ago and say I want Skylife to be about taking trips, creating new experiences. And look here now. Eh? Look how God work. You know, so I'm not play. Don't play with Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I'm going to tell you. Nah, really good. Yeah man, some of them on the sea go and chill and think, big up for the damn self. You know, maybe in the future, me and my Skylifers them, you guys, we can take trips together. You know, it will be too late. Too much of we in our one place. Too late. You know, but we would have a lot of fun. Bathing. Yeah. Because happiness that, you know?
Yeah man, me have to take it on that. Yes. Crazy and such.
My ear mash up.
Yeah man, as my goat me not itch.
You're going to pull up here. Okay. Take a big sign. You never know if your phone can handle that.
Yeah.
Alright. place smash our pass.
What that thing?
I'm gonna name some name. They tell me if you don't smash them or pass. No, that game that's too inappropriate for you. You're not smash nobody. Forget about it.
Like, give me.
Forget about it. You're ready for in a life. Where you want to go next?
Who that?
You.
What?
You want to come to Coney Island with me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to Coney Island, guys. Wakanda forever. What me keep on saying Wakanda?
Wakanda, Melica.
Over there.
Over
there is Sandal. And this is this man right here. He's selling his
craft.
His craft. I swimming, I paddling coming. I say so. The Skylife. 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 You, how far are you coming from? Oh. Okay. Yeah, over there.
Sandals.
There are, you know, ever see Bora Bora with the houses in the water? Sandals have that in Jamaica, and those are the over there. Playing a pass. No. Wait, Stephanie, turn.
Black girl.
Wait, then so we drift wet enough to ramp with seawater, Stephanie. Jesus Christopher.
Over there, Melica.
Over. Rotted. Hold on there. You know, so we drift for people. That's how rock we see sitting and look up in a.
Oh, this song.
Okay, seven rotted. Black word.
I can't believe it. I feel normal.
Yeah. See a move far.
Melica turn is scary.
This is a move.
Come here. So far we gone, Melica.
Stephanie, are we ever so we did it?
Oh, we reach over this.
And we never did a pedal.
I say you think to see someone just stand up and wait for.
Hey, Stephanie, your skin clean in idea, you know, youth.
Yeah, man, black girl.
Man, no, I'm not seriously, don't be frightened. So what am I going on? Just want to go with
No, God, no. Me wonder who push me over there.
What on there? How am I there?
What's up with people in boat?
You think you them won't go pay up later?
No, Melica. It sounds like if you're bus up this. Melica, you want a bus?
Where? The leak?
Yeah. I want me look on to that.
You like so?
Melica, see water yourself. I know we must see.
I know birds and them put it well funny. See to the drift sideways because I saw you see it breeze. That's the direction of the wind, so you have to turn it. You guys saw how basically that we are doing now. Auntie.
I know about that carrier pre-sure means I turn it. And yes, so we did that last time.
Right here, so my front reach over there, so. So that
which part we did that?
we did over there, so, and we end up way over there, so over rock them. You know see? Over there, so over rock them. And that's if we realize. Auntie.
I remember when I sit and I look by us and I said, God, that's so
I laugh for you, know? Yo. I give my promo.